Hi boys and girls, welcome to Wednesday, October the 14th, and today we're going to be talking some more about the patterns on the calendar. And I wanted to see if you notice any particular patterns today, not by using the calendar grid, but by just looking at this chart. And notice the diagonals that you see here on the calendar. I wondered if anybody noticed those yet. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Red, red, purple, 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 purple. Oh my goodness, that's got to be purple, right? Yep, it is. This is called a trapezoid. It's a certain type of quadrilateral that has 4 sides. But there's something especially unusual about this shape. Do you notice or know what the term is that makes it a trapezoid? A trapezoid has opposite sides that are parallel for one set, and then the other sides are going in different directions. The special thing about being parallel is that the lines will never cross. Here's a line, and here's a line. If you were in a car and you were going in between this pair of parallel lines, you could stay on the road just like this if it was a road, and you would always go on, and you would never cross the lines. If you were going up and down, these lines would eventually run into each other, wouldn't they? Parallel lines are real important with driving because cars will never cross each other. They won't cross each other going down the highway this way, but they're parallel coming back this way too, and both roads can go different directions and nobody's ever going to cross each other. We always need parallel lines at the parking lot too, and our cars can park in between the parking places. On the chart that you see below, here is a trapezoid and here is a trapezoid. We won't worry about the difference between this one and this one yet, but trapezoids have one pair of parallel lines, one pair, and the other ones go in different directions. After you see this, it'll make more sense that in this particular set of pictures, all of these quadrilaterals have 2 sets of parallel lines. Here's one set for these two, and then these two are another set, and all the way around. This third section they call irregular quadrilateral, and we'll talk about that later. Returning to the calendar grid, I wanted to have you take a guess as to what this one's going to be. They wanted us to turn over marker 18 and notice that here is another quadrilateral too, but it's a parallelogram. Now, looking at the markers up on the calendar, what shapes are markers 10 and markers 14? What shapes are concave quadrilaterals? What's the date of their marker? Here's your last question. What is your prediction on the date, October the 15th, for that marker? Have a good day.